Hi friends, welcome to Mech Plaza. Thanks for your regular support. Today we are going to talk about what is welding and types of welding. What is welding? Welding is the process of fusing materials such as metals or thermoplastics in order to seamlessly join them. The welding process involves applying heat and pressure to the materials being combined, in addition to a filter material. Types of welding processes. The main types of welding used in industry and by home engineers are commonly referred to as MIG welding, arc welding, gas welding and TIG welding. You can learn about the different types of welding processes for your understanding. What is MIG, metal inert gas, welding, or MOP, gas metal arc welding? The concept of combining two pieces of metal together with the wire that is connected to an electrode current is referred to as metal inert gas, MIG, welding. In this type of welding process, a shielded gas is used along the wire electrode, which heats up the two metals to be joined. A constant voltage and direct current power source is required for this method, and this is the most common industrial welding process. The MIG or MOP process is suitable for fusing mild steel, stainless steel as well as aluminium. What is arc welding or small, shielded metal arc welding? Arc welding is also called a shielded metal arc welding, or simply referred to as stick. This is the most basic of all welding types. The welding stick uses electric current to form an electric arc between the stick and the metals to be joined. To weld iron and steel, this type of welding is often used in the construction of steel structures and in industrial fabrication. Stick welding can be used for manufacturing, construction and repair work. Arc welding. A non-consumable tungsten electrode is used in this type of welding process. This tungsten electrode is made use of to heat the base metal and create a molten weld puddle. By melting two pieces of metal together, an autogenous weld can be created. For this type of welding, the welder needs to have a lot of expertise as it's a very complex process. This welding process is employed to carry out high-quality work when a superior standard finish is required, without making use of excessive cleanup by sanding or grinding. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos.